Because if you're doing a joint box, just do it properly.
All right, ready, Dami?
Yep.
No?
Nothing.
What? Because, you know, this is a joke. Right, so that's how they ran the cable down. You know, no, you're not supposed to run it diagonal, not like that. Hi there, Delaware again. Today I'm off to a job to do some work in the kitchen and bathroom, I think. All to some lighting and some power. I was sent a video of what needs doing. Might be a bit tricky, I'm not sure. So once I get there, go through it, get on with it and see how it goes, okay? Nice one. Right, Dami, today what we're doing is alterations in this kitchen, yeah?
Yep.
There's a wall going across here. This is going to be shower, toilet. That fan needs to get to be working. It's not working at the moment. All this stuff has got to come off this wall. Then over here, you've got the washer, dryer, 2 spurs on tops to control. Over there, power for the switch, for the fridge. They want these lights on the sensor. The lights that I was looking at, they've got downlighters. I didn't even know they'd done them like that. They've got downlighters with sensors in them. So I went for those. Now they want these 4 on the sensor as well. Okay. And also the cooker, they are thinking that's wired in 2.5. So you can't have, if it's on a ring circuit, if it's on part of the ring, you can't have more than 2.9 kilowatts on it. Okay? If it's, they were thinking we could, it's not. They're saying that, oh, these sockets over here on their own, that's fine. But I think it's linked to these sockets here, right? So they won't be able to do that. They'll have to, because what I was saying to them, if it's on its own circuit, change that, it's protected by 32 amp. What they were saying is that one and that one's on the circuit. Yeah. I think all this lot are on the circuit. Okay. Right, anyway, Dan, we know that these lot are on with that, that oven circuit, which they don't know that. Okay, cool. Yeah, so let's start disconnecting and then we'll work out, see what we can work out and what we can't. Here we go, mate. Take this.
You're gonna run whole new cables, right?
Sorry?
You're gonna run whole new cables.
Well, we have to tap into what's here, that's already there. So we have to figure out what we're gonna do there. Yeah, so what we'll do, keep checking with your thing just in case. Never take a chance. I'm sure it's all dead, but yeah, try that one there. And yeah, okay, now we can disconnect. So disconnect that, mate.
So disconnect. Do you want me to label it or anything like that, or?
Oh no. Right, this I'm thinking. Right, this is how I'm seeing it, Dami. I'm thinking that's one leg. This is the other leg. This is what I'm thinking. So we're gonna have to somehow deal with that.
Cool.
Okay.
So start this side.
Yeah. Just disconnect that, mate. Went up for the fan.
So you just cut the cable.
Sorry, mate?
So I just cut the cable.
Let's have a look. Yeah. Just cut it. Take that off. Undo that one there, Dami, up there. Yeah, take that out. And then unscrew the cover up and take off the fan as well, yeah?
No worries.
Okay, we've removed all that stuff. I don't know where this one goes, mate. I was able to find one going from there to there, cut that off. Right, what I'm thinking is, Dami, I'm thinking that's one leg of the ring and that's the other leg of the ring. Yeah. So what we're going to do, if we, I'm going to go to the fuse board and put live face to earth, and you can test with your, have you got one of them?
Yeah.
Ready?
1 second. You said line to neutral, right? Earth.
Yeah, line to earth, face to earth. Yeah?
Yeah.
What? this one here. Okay, okay.
That's the trouble with these things, mate. When you got all these bloody junction boxes in, it's a joke.
So that's why we're not getting a separation, because I thought that would be one side of the ring, that would be the other side of the ring. But it looks like this here is, they've just joined and come across to here and then just...
Is the heater connected inside?
I don't know, mate. Don't know.
Oh no, it's not.
Is it electric or is it water?
Is it electric or is it water? Hot water.
I thought it was.
Because if you're doing a joint box, just do it properly. Yeah, not just push down in the corner like this.
Jesus. What they've done is just, I think you'll find that's probably the ring to Kevin, and they've just come off, fed all this, gone over to there, fed all that. So, you got, what sockets have you got in the front room? Is that the front room? What's behind this wall here?
Everything's powered up, everything's
Yeah,
it's a socket here.
you got a socket there?
Yeah, just
Have a
here.
look. Have a look.
I don't think there's anything behind that.
Right. I'm thinking now. You know, see that cable there?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's what they've brought through for the cooker. Okay, listen. Do you mind? We might have to dig out some of that expanding foam to get to the cables. Yeah. All right, cool. Let's do that, because what I'm thinking is, Dami, I'm thinking that's the ring. Like I said, they're just spurred out. But if we could pull those cables back into that cupboard, then we could do some sort of rearranging to get the cables over to how we want it. Yeah. So we need to dig out the expanding foam for this one as well. Okay, let's have a look in here now. Right, okay. Yeah, I can see the two cables. Seems as if these are all connected together.
Do they go under the floorboards?
Yeah, they got the floor. Okay, I'll tell you what, Dami.
You gonna put it through?
Yeah, I'm going to put it through around here. Right, okay. So, now, Dami, we can do the old, what we was trying to do before with your
Voltage tester.
tester. Touch the ends together first, make sure they're working, yeah?
No worries.
Before you do the thing. If you get down there, you should be able to do it there, Dami. Okay? You get down there, I'm going to touch them together, yeah? So, you want to do the white one first?
No problem.
Say when you're ready. All right, ready, Dami?
Yep.
No?
Nothing.
What? I thought that would have been it, mate. Oh, let me make sure I've got the right ones. Because it's hard to see. All right, here we go. That one and this one. No? Not that one. Not that one. Okay. Okay. So that's one. Shouldn't ring on this one.
Disconnected.
Okay, so watch out now. If we go back here, that's one leg. Let's see if this is the other leg. Then we know that is the ring. So we tested the white one. Right. So both legs, yeah?
Yeah.
So we know that that's the ring.
Okay.
So we can do our manipulation from here. Right, so what they did, they came from that junction box to supply what was on this wall. Then they've gone over to this wall and they've come up to here, down to there, into there, and that goes up to where, I don't know, maybe upstairs. And then they've gone down to the cooker. So it's not on the ring, it's spurred, so we have to manipulate and make sure it's on the ring now, so else it won't be wired properly. Right, see them cables there?
Yeah.
That blue cable, we're going to tie on and pull through some, we're going to pull through a circuit because, you know, this is a joke. This is going to be boxed in. So instead of having to chase, you know?
You're going to run under the pipe.
Yeah, we could save ourselves a bit of aggravation and get the cable up here, along there, round there and over to there. We got to get two cables anyway, because one for the fridge and one for the sockets and stuff over here, over this side. See this socket here? Ideally, it would have been good if we could pick up from there, but
Too much hardware.
yeah. Excuse me,
Tayo.
Tayo. Just 1 second, my friend. You see that socket there? You wanted a socket for the island, yeah?
Yes.
I'm just wondering if we could pick up from there, because you said if it was on this wall, would it make a difference?
I don't think so.
Well, we're going to do it today, so you can discuss it with Esther
Yeah.
and see if that's okay, because it'd be less damage. We can put that there, socket
that's
there.
fine.
The thing is, if we can take it from there, we can come round here and we could chase it in the wall, because they can still make that good, can't they?
Yeah.
We can chase it in the wall and get it round there. The only thing is, we'd need this smooth so we can have a look at that. Right. Yeah, so we can tie onto this, pull it through there, yeah?
No problem.
And then we have to get it through there, and then we're going to have...
This is a new circuit, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
New circuit for the cooker and new circuit for the fridge. If we can pick up from there,
Then we
then we
just have
can
to
do
feed
the
it, yeah.
stuff round here. Yeah? All right, let's tie on and let's tie
We
on.
don't need this no more, do we?
Not for now, we will do. Just put it against the wall out there. What I'm hoping to do is drill a hole through each joist, pass the cable through. Sometimes I do a notch, but then I have to put the metal plate across to make sure nothing screws into it.
So you're going to have enough leverage.
Yeah, I'm thinking if you can go up at an angle, not too far, and it should be okay. Okay, mate, what we do now is start feeding it through there. Hold up there 1 second. So what you want to do, get into a position where you can push and pull, push and pull. Try and push it through 2 holes, so you're going through the other one. See if that works. I don't know if it will. Let's get back over here and pull a bit more. Yeah, I think that's enough. So push. Let's do push and pull. pull this back in. Oh, how's your boy?
It's good.
Yeah? What's he doing now? What's he into?
Half term now.
All right.
Yeah, so he's at class.
Yeah, push it through two of them. Yeah, this one is gonna come along here, go down to 2 spurs and the socket. And then from the spurs, you're gonna go down for the
Wash and dry.
Yeah.
Something there.
So let me see, fridge. Right. So that should be long enough to come down to there. Let's get it into place before I do any alteration. Right. So we're gonna go 900. You mark it, Dami. I'll get my glasses on.
Mark 900. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 90. Right, so. Hold that for me, Dami. Hold it against the wall. Come over this side. I keep saying I'm going to get one of those laser things.
I got one.
Get away.
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, gosh. I level it up, Reggie. You're the man, Dan.
Yeah, no.
Right, so what do you reckon of that one, Dami?
Long day, but we got there in the end.
Yeah,
anyway.
and this kind of work is dirty,
Yeah.
dusty.
Dusty, all of us.
Yeah, you. I came out, I was all clean this morning. Look at me now. Oh, I hate this work, man. It's so dusty.
We encountered a few problems, but
Yeah.
we're on the way.
Yeah, there's always ways around things.
Yeah.
So this is going to be a first fix and then a second fix.
Okay, so
because we've put our stuff in, then the builders do their
Yeah.
stuff, then we come back and do the second.
No
but
problem.
what we'll do, I'm hoping we can get most of those cables in tested, because
For
that's
tomorrow, yeah.
whenever you leave,
you want to make sure it's correct.
you have to test, because when you come back and the plaster has done this and things are
nightmare.
down, then they
Nightmare.
can't say, oh, it was like that, mate. All right then, mate, I'll see you tomorrow then.
Ah, thank you.
Cool, nice
Take
one.
care.
So that's what we've done there, just to keep it. I'd like to have got some sort of metal across there, you know, to give it a bit of protection. Anyway, look, when we come along here, yeah, I mean, you can just leave the thing on the floor, but I usually like to put it into something, like flexi duck or something, but I haven't got any flexi with me. What I might have to do, it's going to hold us up a bit, because I didn't put them on the van. I've took a lot of stuff off the van to make room and all that, make it more organised, and I think flexi is what I took off. I don't think I've got any on the van, not long enough anyway. So
I'll get some.
We'll get on with the rest, and I'll have to bring them in when I come next time. So that's it there. Come over a bit, give it a bit of room. Okay. Sound like the head's mixed. This is the bottom part of it. So if you can get it like that, get a screw in the middle. Get your first one here.
No problem.
Because what I'm thinking, get your first one here, in that corner there. Just hold it level, screw the first one in, and then when you get it, you put another one, yeah?
No problem.
We don't want that. But okay, so now you know you got that straight. Put one in the middle there, yeah? Put one in the middle there. That will just hold it proper, yeah?
Alright, no problem.
Do that. I've unfortunately gone back a little bit, but you know, they're only putting a skim coat on it,
Yeah.
but so that'd be fine. This one now is for the fridge spur.
Yeah.
This is the socket, and then next to it, we're gonna have the splitter box, yeah? It's good to leave a gap. You don't want it too close, because remember, they got to make good and everything. The smaller the gap, might be harder for them to make the good. That's the two isolators for the washer dryer,
Okay.
and that is just the socket.
Yeah.
It's the isolator for the fridge. So we're going to come straight down, splitter box down there for the two outlets, and then we're going to come down across over there. I won't do any knocking out yet, because we're going to have to cut this. They got battens going across.
Yeah.
Right? There's one here, there's one there. So I'm thinking 400, there should be another one, I think. I'm not sure how they go, but I think it's 400 they usually go. Oh, I can't see anything at the side to tell me. But yeah, but they're gonna have to redo all this anyway, so. That one there from my eyes. You got to get the level.
Yeah.
Level, you have the level. Yeah. Go on, mate. When you pull in from two sides, it's always get help.
Okay.
Go on.
Done?
Yeah, go on.
Oh.
Yeah, the flexi is just to keep it nice and neat. So now what we need, mate, we need to get through to this side, but again, we have to
The pipes.
be drilling because the pipes, we're gonna have to come this side of it.
So next.
Next thing we're gonna pull the cooker circuit in plus another radio for 6 mil for the cooker.
Okay.
And then they got the option of what size cooker they want. Yeah, we'll take this out, put another box in, put a spur up here. So this, I'm sure that's for the cooker hood, because that's all they've done. All they've done, Dami, they just connected the socket here and then just connected this to the socket. So what we'll do, we'll put the socket there, but then we'll come up for a spur here.
For the cooker hood, yeah.
For the cooker hood, yeah?
Okay.
That box can stay in, or just take out the cables and run our new one in, yeah? I think they've run it like this. So anyway, what we'll do, so if we need to chase this out a little bit more so we can get this double box in. Then we have to chase up and get a single box in for the spur, because you can't come any further over here because they're having stuff there. Right, so that's how they ran the cable, Dami, look. Like that. Yeah, no, you're not supposed to run it diagonal, not like that. I'm trying to get a box in here because that's the best I can do. You can't go over there because it's too much, and I don't want to go too near to here. So that's why That's going to be 2 spurs, one for the ignitions, one. I'm assuming that's only got to be for the cooker hood, can't be for nothing else. So that's going to go there. They want the socket, so the socket's going to go underneath. Yeah, we're going to have to fill that in with some filler too, some cement, sand and cement or something. Right. That's fine. I'm going to leave it like that because what I'll do, when that dries now, I'll slap some bonding on it and then push the box in and the box will sit nicely. And then when it's dry, you just put some fixings in it. Yeah, like I was saying, I didn't think it would be right to just fill up that hole with, but I've come across it when I've took a socket out and then a big lump of bonding come out, plaster come out, and great big hole behind. You know, I've seen that, but I didn't want to do that. I think it's best to do it like this. So that hole now is now blocked up. When that's dried, I can put a layer of bonding in there, push my box in, get it nice and level, then plaster around it and drill and fix it. And then the geezers, because the thing is, you can't leave it to the plasterers. You've got to get your thing fixed properly and they plaster around it. You get me? If you go leaving it, oh, well, let the builders do that, then you'll put your, you know, if you want your stuff done properly, I wouldn't leave it to builders. Unless you spoke to the builder yourself and say, mate, this is what I want. And he says, yeah, I agree, I can do that. That hole, that's got a great big hole in it as well, Dan. That part there, see that? When you've got a surface like that, yeah, and you're gonna put more on it, what you do that. That's like a key, I think, for it to grip to. Rather than fitting it to a smooth surface, you're putting it to a rougher surface, so they sort of join together.
Oh, okay.
Do you get it?
Yeah. So it the next layer will fill out this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like you're joining them, you're tying them together.
Okay.
Yeah? Yeah, let's sweep up that. So that's there, ready for that. Because what they want, Dami, usually I would fit a cooker outlet, but they're saying they're probably going to get
Oven.
and
oven.
yeah, that you can plug in, right? But rather than running just a 2.5 circuit,
For 6
I
months.
put a 6 mil so it doesn't restrict them if they want to go
It's
for a
over.
higher thing.